What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 24 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, June 11th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. And before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below and sign up for Webull today. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. My tracker is a little bit off today. So in the top right corner where you see percentage change, that is not correct. For whatever reason, it's not syncing up with the Jacque formula, but it's all good. I'm gonna dive into my app like I normally do anyway, so that doesn't even matter. But everything else that you see on the chart is correct. So this is a lot less than that. It's probably like, I don't know if I had to guess, probably 14%, but no worries. I did actually buy some more shares of Future Fintech, so FTFT, and I'm currently sitting at 325 shares total with Future Fintech. Other than that, it kind of stayed flat for the most part. I didn't buy any more coin or any more Neo. Neo's at a point where it's out of the buy zone right now anyway, so I'm gonna kick my feet up and let it ride on that. I put a trailing stop loss on that, as well as I think it's American, but we'll dive into my app here in a second and I'll show you. Let's see, transactions. So just to let you know, Future Fintech, I bought it at 330, 100 shares on the 7th, and that's all I did for this week. No option plays at all this week, and deposits, nothing doing. So your boy's still sitting at 67.50 right now for this challenge. And with that being said, let's go and just dive into the app. All right, guys, now you can see I'm sitting at $10,964 and now it just changed, but $10,965.03 for the week. Up 276.09, so not too shabby. And before I show you my big dogs, I want to show you my dividend plays and show you how those are doing, because I don't think Chris has really shown that too much, like the dividend plays that he started out doing at the beginning of this challenge, because I know he's doing 2 separate challenges, one dividend and one just the stock plays. And so I'm in these 2, but again, these aren't part of the same challenge, but I just thought I'd just show you anyway. Innovative industrial properties. So my return right now is $429, or sorry, 429% total return, which equates to $159. And I'm going to be starting to put more and more money into that. And again, dividend plays, so I'm not trying to sell it. It's not a growth stock. And going back to my other one, Crestwood Equity, that's almost 100% return on that. And again, I'm not going to sell it. I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit and see how well it does. Let's see. Start with Future Fintech, see how it did for the week. So it's about flat, up a little bit over 2.5%, but still down essentially 24% with the market value of 1053. Tattooed Chef for the week, it's about flat, down 26 cents. Overall, I'm down a little bit over 11% with the market value of 27.75. APXT for the week is up 55 cents, down about 25%. Market value at 14.11. And GNOG, total return is about down 17%. That's why I was saying, going back to my tracker, it shows that I'm down 27%. So quite big of a difference on that, which equates to being down 352.75. And then Coinbase, I didn't add anything to it. It's about flat as well. Neo has been performing actually pretty good. Let's see, for the week, almost up 10%. to shout to everybody that's got Neo and it's killing it. See, total returns at almost 23%, 457. I don't have too many shares in this, but nevertheless, it's some cash in the bank. And again, I put my trailing stop loss on this bad boy. And then also I did it with American. So American is currently sitting at a total return of 37.5. Trailing stop loss is set on that one as well, but total market value is at 236. For the week, see, it went down to at 359, 3.59%. Halion, I can't wait till this thing comes back so I can get rid of it. I'm sick and tired of hanging on this thing. Almost down 30%, so it might be a minute before it does. I think Workhorse too. I think there was I think it was right here. Maybe not. I think there was like a short squeeze on this, or like it looked to be like there's about to be a short squeeze on it. Total return, I'm almost basically down 30%. I want to get rid of this thing too so I can start consolidating the rest of my plays. And Airbnb and Apple. Airbnb is back out of the red for the week. It was down as well. But now I'm going to show you guys how much money I put in my account, just to let you know that I didn't put any money in my account this week. So as you can see, guys, deposits, $500, which was last week, not this week. Going back to my tracker, going to the deposits, as you can see, that's last week. So just want to be honest with you guys, let you know what's really happening behind the scenes in terms of me putting money in my account, and that's where I stand. So with that being said, guys, that is all I have for this video. If you made this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.